Hello friends, welcome back to my channel George the Explorer, and I'm so excited today because we're going to explore Diwali markets of Mumbai. Yes friends, Diwali, the very popular festival of lights, is just 2 days away. Today 16th, tomorrow 17th. I will upload this video tomorrow, and Diwali is on the 20th of this month, October. So come along as we check out these amazing marketplaces, buzzing with the excitement and colors of Diwali shopping. Trust me, you are going to love it. So friends, our first destination today is this place called Kandil Gully or Kandil Street, located between Matunga, Matunga, Matunga and Mahim, two of the western suburbs of Mumbai, and very close to Dadar, DADAR, Dadar. First, I want to know what is this Kandil exactly. Kandil means the colorful, very beautiful, colorful paper lantern that you see everywhere during this time of Diwali. You know, that is Kandil. And Kandil Street, Kandil Gully means Kandil Street. And this particular street is very popular in Mumbai. This stands out because it offers a wide variety of candles during this time of Diwali. So that's why it's so popular. So first destination today is this place called Kandil Street or London Street. Let's go. First, before heading to the Kandil Street, Kandil Gully, I want to show you this beautiful garden where I am in at the moment in Mahim, right next to the Hinduja Hospital. This is the Hinduja Hospital. This huge structure you can see is the Hinduja Hospital, and this garden is right next to the Hinduja Hospital. Hinduja Hospital is so popular, it's very popular in Mumbai, and this beautiful garden is right next to the Hinduja Hospital. So I just want to relax sometime, 5 minutes here before heading to the places. Beautiful. And this garden belongs to Hinduja Hospital, right next to the Arabian Sea. And one thing I always notice that whichever coastal area you visit in Mumbai city, the amazing view of the Bandra Worli ceiling is truly one of a kind. And from here too you can see this amazing view of the Bandra Worli ceiling. I'll show you. See, you can see the ceiling from here. This is Bandra Worli ceiling. Friends, let's go explore this Kandil Gully next. So this is the Hinduja Hospital and Research Center, and this is the highway. And I'm going to cross this road and enter that lane. And just across this road is this very popular Scottish School of Mumbai. This is the Scottish School of Mumbai. It's very popular in Mumbai. And you can see all these yellow buses, school buses parked here. There are so many school buses belong to Scottish School here. This yellow bus. It's a very beautiful area, one of the beautiful areas in Mumbai city. So this is the Scottish School, very old and very popular schools in Mumbai. Scottish School. Now enter the street opposite the Hinduja Hospital, and Kandil Gully is just 10 minutes walk from here. And this is basically a residential area with beautiful towers and buildings around, old and new buildings, and the beautiful, my favorite, banyan tree that you can see all over Mumbai. Now I want to show you what is candles. What is candle exactly? These are candles, different shapes and colors and sizes. This is not the Kandil Street, but this is some of the vendors here selling candles. So this is a canteen. Beautiful. See, these are all canteen in different shapes and sizes. So let's go to the canteen street here. Here too you can see this colorful canteens. Amazing. Isn't it beautiful? So colorful. So let's go for the canteen, explore the canteens. Canteen street. Now I am at this intersection of 4 roads. Yeah. This is J. Kataria Road, T.H. Kataria Road. That and this is Lieutenant Dilip Gupta Road. Okay. And this way I have to go. This is my way to the street. I mean this Kandil Street. So this is the way to the Kandil Street or London Street, Kandil Gully. You can see this. Yeah, Kandil Street I think starts from here. So first of all, I met this street called Kandil Street. Yes, it's amazing, beautiful. Cantils, lantern, pepper lanterns here. It's a very big market for this pepper lantern. The various size, shapes and designs. These are various types of lanterns, pepper lanterns or cantils. Beautiful. Of course, this street come alive only during this time of Diwali. These are various hangings and decorative items here. There's a very huge market for cantils and various other decorative items used during Diwali. See, all these are cantils and even colors also you can see the different types of cantils. Beautiful. Amazing. Wow. The industry is full of this cantil lanterns. On the other side also you can see not only this side, the other side of the street also full of these shops, similar shops, and these are you know the thing, not lantern, what do you call it? Okay, diya na? Diyas and beautiful. These are various decorative items used during Diwali. And these are colors used during Diwali. See. And see the amazing display of this colorful cantils and hangings here. ये सब कितने होता है? 900 rupees for this hanging. मैम ये कितने का आता है? ये कितने का आता है? ये वाला? This is 700 for this one. Don't. Different style. ये कैंटीन है ना? कितने का आता है ये? 2100. So it's something different. Wow. ये वाला 450. This one is 450. Simple but very beautiful. There are different ranges here. You can see from 200, 300 to thousands of rupees cantils here. Amazing. Here, colorful candles, yeah, how beautiful. These are candles or pepper lanterns. And there's one another beautiful. This entire street is footpath is full of this candle vendors, my dear friends. Only during this time of Diwali, not other days. How amazing and beautiful. These are various lighting, decorative lights here. And this is a very important crackers used during Diwali. These are crackers. Yes, that's also found here. And see, this is one of a kind of experience here. I think 1 to 2 kilo, approximately more than 1 kilometer stretch of this footpath is full of candle vendors. Candle vendors, not candle. Candle vendors. The other side of the road also, you can see this out there, just across the road. That side of the footpath also full of candle vendors here. See, and these are popular Diwali snacks. इसको क्या बोलते हैं मैम? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? करंजी. करंजी, the typical Mumbai snack. Currency, all types of snacks here. Now let's cross the road and explore the other side. Okay, this is the highway, Mahim highway. Here too you can see the similar items, nothing different. This was Diwali snacks. ये जो अपना मैदा क्या है क्या? रवा का लड्डू है ना? कितने का आता है ये बेसन का? 200 रुपये का. Yes, yummy. Here the situation is the same with colorful, beautiful garlands, candles and all types of things, and even colors also available here. See how wonderful, beautiful this place has become during Diwali. And on the way you can see this beautiful diyas. ये सब कितने का आता है? हाँ? कितना? 20 रुपया एक का? एक पैकेट? हाँ, अच्छा. 2 pieces, 1 pack, and 20 rupees is it. There's different designs of colorful diyas here. It's a beautiful place. That was Candle Gully, London Street, and now let's go explore some other locations in Mumbai. So I'm going to take a train from here. This is the railway station near to this place is Matunga, and I'll take a train from here. This is the football bridge FOB to the Matunga railway station. Just below this bridge is Matunga Railway Workshop, and this is the way to the Matunga railway station. This is the FOB football bridge. First I will tell you where is our next destination. Our next destination is Lohar Chal, right next to the Crawford Market area. It's a very amazing place during this time. Let's go explore anyway. And even Crawford Market also looks fabulous during this time. First I got a local train from Matunga railway station, and I just got off at CSMT terminus. CSMT stands for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. And now heading straight to Lohar Chal and Crawford Market area. My favorite shopping spots to explore, especially during festival like Diwali and Christmas, and of course New Year. It's an amazing place to explore during festivals, Lohar Chal and Crawford Market area. Now I made to Crawford Market area, the most crowded and congested marketplace in South Mumbai. It's Carrefour Market, and also known for its beautiful colonial structures around, like this one. So it's very congested. So you can see the traffic jam right now. So let's go to the Lahore Chawl area first of all, then Carrefour Market. And this is a very popular, iconic and age-old Carrefour Market tower, built in 1868 on the initiative of Arthur Travis Crawford, the then Municipal Commission of Bombay. That time it was known as Bombay, not Mumbai. And it's amazing age-old structure here. The road is so congested, and you can see thousands of people this evening. So probably for shopping, of course for shopping, Diwali shopping, See, and let's go explore the Lahore Chawl first of all. So first, this is the popular, iconic Lahore Chawl next to Carrefour Market. These are the electrical shops here. My goodness. Now I am taking you through one of Mumbai's most electrifying spots, Lahore Chawl, right next to the famous Carrefour Market. If you have ever wondered where Mumbai gets all its sparkle from during Diwali, this is the place. As I walk through these busy lanes, I can literally feel the pulse of the city here. The market is packed with hundreds of small shops selling every kind of electrical item you can imagine. Bulbs, fans, wires, switches, LEDs, chandeliers, and all sorts of lighting decorations. The moment you step in, you are greeted by a riot of colors and sounds. Shopkeepers calling out customers, light flickering in every shade, and that typical Mumbai market buzz that never seems to fade. The name Lahore Chawl actually goes back to the British era, when this area was home to blacksmiths. Lahore meaning iron workers in Marathi. Over the years, it transformed into one of Mumbai's biggest hubs for electrical goods. Even today, many of the shops here are run by families who have been in business for generations. During festival like Diwali, Christmas, and of course New Year, the energy here is simply unmatched. The market turns into a glowing paradise. You will find rows of colorful candles, LED strings, festive bulbs, and creative lighting displays that can instantly transform any home into a mini celebration. Every shop is lit up, the streets sparkle, and there is this wonderful festive chaos all around. And people from all parts of Mumbai come here to buy lights for their homes, offices, and even societies. From traditional lanterns to the latest sound-synced LED strips, everything you can dream of is available here, usually at wholesale prices. I keep walking through these highly crowded streets, wondering how diverse the crowd here is. From daily laborers to high-end customers, all kinds of people gather here to get their items during the festive season. And here I can see this temporarily built gate put up by the Zaveri Bazaar community for the occasion to welcome people. Since gold is considered auspicious during this time, people buy it in large numbers. Right now the entire Zaveri Bazaar street is glowing with lights, colorful decoration, and even temporary arches set up for the festival. And you can even see this beautiful red carpet laid here, adding more charm to the street. And first, this Zaveri Bazaar is one of Mumbai's most iconic gold markets. Established over a century ago, this street is famous for its countless gold and jewelry shops, and during Diwali it truly comes alive. The night vibe here is something you have to see to believe. Every shop sparkles, reflecting off the shiny jewelry, while the streets are bustling with people from all walks of life. Locals, tourists, and jewelry lovers flock here, making it a lively, festive chaos. And I don't feel like taking off my sunglasses, even though it's evening now. The air quality is pretty bad because of all the Diwali firecrackers and also because of the October dry weather. So that's all for today. I'm signing off. I see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Indian time. Please check out my video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. So see you next week. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Take care.